Okay, ma'am.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Now you can keep yourself muted. Yes, Arkan.
मैम बाय मिस्टेक लेजेंड हो गया.
Okay, that's okay. Yes, Rohan. Okay. Mark your presence in the chat box.
लाइट जला दो.
Keep yourself muted. I'll wait for another 2 minutes if somebody joins.
मैम
Yes.
मैम स्टार्ट करो ना.
I will start. Please wait. Okay, give me 1 more minute. I'm just. Give me 1 minute and then we'll start. Please, all right. Today we are going to discuss reference sheets. Can anyone tell me what you understand by reference? What is a reference sheet in GK general knowledge? What is it based on?
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, Ruchika.
Good morning, ma'am.
Please, bache, we have already done good morning. Stop it now.
Ma'am, current
Ma'am, what
affairs,
is
ma'am, like
today's
we,
topic?
Yes, Ruchika, continue.
ma'am, reference means current affair. Ma'am, current affair tell us about the world, what is happening around the
Very
world.
good. Reference sheet refers to current affairs. What is happening around the world? But this current affairs will include only the things happening around India. All right. Let's continue. I hope the screen is visible to all. Okay, Gunjan, read the first point.
KK One Group has been appointed as the Attorney General of India by President Ram Nath Kovind. Gopal appointment has been extended for 1 year with effect from July 1, 2020.
Very good. So what does this point says that there is a man named KK Venugopal. He has been reappointed. Reappointed means again appointed as Attorney General. Attorney General is a lawyer of India. By whom? By the President of India, Ramnath Kovind. And he will be as Attorney General for 1 year from July 1. Once I will throw you out now, I'm telling you. Yes, Prachi, I will do that. Yes, Ananya, read the second point.
The government has added 3 more states, Odisha, Mizoram and Sikkim, under the One Nation, One Ratio card scheme. The announcement was made by Ram Vilas Paswan, Union Consumer Affairs Minister. With this, the scheme now covers a total of 20 states and UTs.
Very good. What does this point says? The government has added 3 more states. Like in Delhi, we have one ration, one nation, one ration card. So you do not, the family do not require different ration card for every member. There is only one ration card. So they have included 3 more states into this scheme that are Odisha, Mizoram and Sikkim. Now there are total of 20 states and union territories under this scheme. Yes, Ayush, you have to write the points in the notebook. Or you can take out a printer. UT are union territories like Delhi, Daman and Diu. All right. Aditya Kerola, read the third point. Yes, Prachi, you can do that also.
Union Minister Jitendra Singh has started the Gaganyaan, India's first human space mission, will not be affected by COVID-19 pandemic. He assured that the mission will be launched before India celebrates its 75th year of independence in 2022.
Very good. So what it is saying that it says that Union Minister Jitendra Singh has he has said that the Gaganyaan is the mission, first human mission. Because space mission, sorry, first human space mission that it will be not affected by this pandemic and it will be launched before the 75th independence, that is before 2022, right? Northeast of India, near Assam, the 7 states of Northeastern. Okay. Pratham, read the fourth point.
Uttarakhand Forest Department has developed India's first lichen park in Kumor, Murrah.
Kumaon,
Photographer
Munisari, Pittogra.
district. Lichens are found in the Himalayas up to 5,000 meters, are important species as they are the best bioindicators bioindicators of the pollution level.
Very good. So, Uttarakhand for legions are the, let me show you, just give me a minute. This is an organism that grows on trees. An organism that grows on trees. If you can see the different images, these green parts, these are lichen on the trees. See this one, these all are lichens. So what is lichen happening here? That they have opened India's first, Uttarakhand has developed the Indian's first lichen forest where all the species of lichens will be grown, because they are the best bioindicators, natural indicators to tell whether what is the level of pollution. Any doubt in the first four points? Okay, Ruchika, read the fifth point.
Yes, ma'am. Maharashtra Chief Minister Uddhav Thakkere has launched the world largest Lama therapy tireless project planting for COVID-19 patients that state government has absorbed rupees 1635 crore for the project from the Chief Minister RIA Fund.
Yes. So what is it saying? That the Chief Minister of Maharashtra, name of the Chief Minister is Uddhav Thackeray. He has launched the world's largest plasma therapy trials under the name of the Project Platina for COVID-19 patients. For coronavirus or fighting it, you need plasma therapy. So he has launched the largest trials. And for that, he has spent rupees 16.65 crore from the relief fund. Nidhi, read the sixth point. Plasma therapy is a therapy used, see, once if somebody has recovered from coronavirus, from COVID, he has built an immune system in his blood. So he will give that plasma, his blood cells, to the other patients for fast recovery. This is plasma therapy. Okay, Nidhi, read the sixth point.
Sixth point. Indian and Bhutan signed pact for the construction of the 600 MW Konchu joint venture hydroelectric project in Bhutan. The arrangement for the project between the Bhutanese government and the ma'am, what is written on the third line first? Konchi Hydro Limited was within the pressure of India frozen Mr. S. Jaishankar and his Bhutanese counterpart Tandai Dorji.
Very good. Now what the point is says that India and Bhutan has made an agreement. They have signed an agreement that they will open a 600 megavolt. 600 megavolt is a unit. Megavolt is a unit of power. So they are producing the electricity with the help of water. And this agreement has been signed by Indian Forest Minister J.S. Jaishankar and Bhutanese Foreign Minister Tandai Dorji. Right? Yes, Arkan, read the seventh point.
IAS Vini
Mahajan has become first woman chief secretary of Punjab. She is a 1987 batch IAS officer.
Very good. So there is a first woman who has become Chief Secretary of Punjab. Her name is Winnie Mahajan, and she is a IAS officer. And she became IAS in she has joined IAS in 1987. Ayush, read the 8th point.
Kerala Health Minister K.K. Salija was honored by the United Nations for her efforts to fight the coronavirus pandemic. In her state, she was praised for maintaining low mortality rates in Kerala.
Very good. Now the the United Nations has honored the Kerala Chief Minister, Health Minister K.K. Saleja because she has maintained the very less death rate in Kerala during this pandemic. Right? Yes, Ruchika, ask your doubt.
Ma'am, what is Chief Secretary?
It is a position. Chief Secretary,
What?
Am I have a doubt?
and you are
Ma'am, of
speaking.
what it's a position?
Just wait, Ruchika. Okay, yes, Chief Secretary is the head of the government who looks for the districts. मतलब क्या क्या what is happening all around the state. She will look after that.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Ayush, you can speak now, your doubt. Yes, Imanchi. Ask your doubts. We're waiting. Yes, Ananya.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of pandemic?
Pandemic means a situation in which there is disease spreading all over the world. And there is a lot of deaths happening. That is a pandemic. 6th point. That is Bhutan and India are they have signed an agreement for creating electricity. Yes, Yash. Ayush, Manchi, yes, asked. Hydroelectric means electricity produced from water. Yes, Yash, what is your doubt? Yes, Manchi.
Ma'am, I have doubt in point 6.
6, bacha, I've just explained that India and Bhutan together are they are creating electricity by the water. So they are planting plant where this electricity will be produced.
I
Yes,
have
Yash.
doubt.
Ask your doubt, Yash.
I'm
What is your
point
doubt?
5.
Point
I'm point
5.
5.
Point 5 says that Uddhav Thackeray, Chief Minister of Mumbai, has created the largest plasma therapy trials in Maharashtra for coronavirus patients. Okay, Yash?
Okay, ma'am.
Very good. All right. Yes, Gunjan asks. Gunjan, your voice is not coming.
I don't understand
We have not discussed point 10. We are on 9th right now. All right. Sahib, read the 9th point.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Nidhi, wait, I'll just come. Sahib. Sahib. Sahib is lost somewhere. Tanishq, read the 9th point. Okay, Sahib is back.
Yes, ma'am.
Tanishq, wait. You will read the 10th point. Sahib, read the 9th point.
Union Cabinet has given international airport status to Kushinagar Airport in Uttar Pradesh. The international status to the airport will end in boosting of domestic international tourism and economic development of the regions.
Very good, Sahib. So what is happening here? That there is an airport at Kushinagar in Uttar Pradesh, and that airport has given the status of international airport. That means international flights will land and take off from there as well. Now what will happen in Uttar Pradesh now? That it will be tourism and economic development. Money and tourism will increase in Uttar Pradesh now. Tanishq, read the 10th point.
Okay, ma'am. The Maharashtra government has declared the
Vithabhai.
ma'am, Vittabhai
Narangoyakar
Narayan Gokar Lifetime Achievement Award to folk artist
Gulabai
Gulabai Sanjemarkar.
Sangam Narkar. So the 10th point says there is a name of the award, that is Vithabhai Narangoyakar is the name of the award that is given to the folk artist. The name of the folk artist is Gulabai Sangam Narkar. Any doubts now? These are just the points, you have to learn them. Yes, Nidhi?
Ma'am, I have a doubt in 7th point.
The 7th point says that in Punjab there is a woman who has become chief secretary and her name is Vinnie Mahajan and she is an IAS officer.
Ma'am, what is the full forming of IAS?
Full forming, is that the correct word?
Ma'am,
Full
full form.
Full form. It is Indian Administrative Service.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Yes, Ruchika.
Ma'am, what is folk artist?
Folk artist is the person who sings folk songs, folk music. Old, that is the tales. Classical.
Ma'am, I don't understand 9th point.
There is an airport in Uttar Pradesh that has got a status of international. Like that means that in Delhi airport is international airport. You can go if you want to go outside India. So you can go to the Delhi airport. Now it is open in Uttar Pradesh also. If somebody is living in Uttar Pradesh, he or she will go to Kuchinagar airport instead of going to Delhi.
Ma'am, here is written a boosting of domestic.
But
What does it mean?
If the international airport is opened in a state, that means it will increase the income. Now the foreign people will come to your state and visit it. Tourism is also increasing. This is what it is.
Okay, ma'am.
Ananya, 4 card. Okay, now. Okay. Next, we are going to do a MCQ sheet. Give me a minute. All right. Just write the answers in the chat box. The one who will write first will get a chance to speak in the class. All right. The national flag was designed by yes, Aditya Kerola,
Ma'am, Pingali Venkaya.
Pingali Venkai. Very good. Second, the Indian flag was first raised on Mount Everest on yes, Gunjan. Yes, 29 May 1953. The green color in the national flag stands for yes, Ruchika.
Ma'am, faith.
Faith. Very
And
good.
green color stands for faith.
Yes. The green color in the national flag stands for faith. Dash is a symbol of a free country. Yes, Ananya.
Ma'am, flag.
Flag. Very good. The concept of a sorry. The dash is a depiction of the Buddhist Dharma Chakra. Yes, Diksha. Yes, Vansh.
Yes, ma'am.
Answer.
Ma'am, fourth or fifth?
Very good. You're not listening. Yes, Himanshi.
Yes, ma'am.
Answer.
Ma'am, I will answer.
Yes,
Ma'am.
Sahib.
Ma'am, Ashoka Chakra.
Ashoka Chakra. Very good. 6. The concept of a single flag in India was introduced by the concept of a single flag was introduced by yes, Himanshi. Okay, yes. Who has written the answer? Ananya.
Ma'am, British.
British. The first president of Free India was yes, Nidhi.
Ma'am, Dr. Rajendra Prasad.
Dr. Rajendra Prasad. According to the Flag Code of India, the Indian flag has the ratio of wrong answers. No, that is not a correct answer. No. Okay, yes, Gunjan. Gunjan, you can speak the answer. Yes, Lakshya Abbas. Lakshay. Speak the answer, Lakshay. 3:2. D part. The answer is D. 3:2. The design of the national flag was adopted by the dash. Yes, Aditya Gairola.
Constituent Assembly.
Constituent Assembly. The white color in the national flag stands for
Ma'am, can
yes,
I tell?
yes, Vansh.
Ma'am, the answer of the last question is purity.
Priority. So you have to write the points of 10 points in your GK notebook and answer of your MCQs. All right. Next class, we'll start with a new chapter. All right. Bye, everyone. Take care. Revise the work done.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.